For billions of years, it has been our constant. A silent, relentless rhythm. The turning of our world. A dance of light and shadow, life and slumber. A promise of renewal with every dawn. A gentle release with every dusk. But what if one day that dance simply stopped? What if the earth, our vibrant, living sphere, ceased its ancient vital spin? Imagine a world frozen in an eternal embrace of light and darkness. A world where time, in its most fundamental sense, has been irrevocably altered. This is the story of that day. The day Earth stopped spinning. For millennia, we have gazed at the cosmos, seeking answers. From the grand dance of galaxies to the fleeting whisper of quantum foam, we have sought to unravel the universe's deepest secrets. We learned of a universe born from an unimaginable singularity, a cosmic egg bursting forth in a symphony of creation, a big bang that forged space, time, and the very fabric of existence. A universe where, in its earliest moments, matter and antimatter waged a furious war, a cosmic dance of annihilation. Yet, a tiny, inexplicable imbalance, a whisper of asymmetry, allowed matter to triumph, to persist, to form everything we see. And within the very vacuum of space, we discovered a restless energy, a ceaseless bubbling of quantum fluctuations, where particles flicker into being and vanish, a constant, unseen hum of potential. But what if these fundamental forces, these cosmic ballets, were suddenly irrevocably disrupted? What if the very rhythm of existence, the spin that gives our world life, was silenced? Not by external force, but by an internal, unfathomable shift. In the crucible of the early universe, a profound drama unfolded, a cosmic dance of creation and annihilation, where matter and its ethereal twin, antimatter, emerged in perfect, fleeting balance. For every particle and antiparticle, a fleeting existence, destined to meet and vanish in a burst of pure energy. A universe that, by all accounts, should have been empty, a void of light and silence. Yet, a subtle asymmetry, a cosmic whisper of imbalance, tipped the scales. For every billion pairs of matter and antimatter that annihilated, one lone particle of matter remained. A cosmic survivor. This infinitesimal excess, this cosmic residue, became the foundation of everything. The atoms that would form stars, galaxies, and eventually, ourselves. A universe born from a whisper of difference. As the universe cooled, these primordial building blocks, drawn by the invisible hand of gravity, began to coalesce. Vast clouds of hydrogen and helium, swirling and collapsing, igniting the first celestial fires. Stars were born, lived, and died, forging heavier elements in their fiery hearts. And from the ashes of these stellar giants, new generations of stars and planets emerged, recycling the cosmic dust of creation. And among them our own blue marble, a world born from the remnants of ancient stars, set spinning by the very forces that shaped its birth. A delicate balance of motion and gravity, a cosmic gyre that has defined our existence for eons. Beyond the grand narratives of stars and galaxies lies a deeper, more profound truth, a truth whispered in the very fabric of reality, in the seemingly empty void of space. For even in nothingness, there is a restless energy, a ceaseless dance of creation and annihilation. This is the realm of quantum fluctuations, where particles flicker into being and vanish, borrowing energy from the universe for an infinitesimal moment. They are the universe's silent hum, the unseen engine of potential, fleeting, ephemeral, yet profoundly significant. For in their random, chaotic dance lies the very seed of existence. It is believed that in the earliest moments of the Big Bang, these tiny quantum whispers were amplified to cosmic proportions, imprinting the nascent universe with the very irregularities that would later become the grand structures we observe. From the smallest, most ephemeral fluctuations arose the vast cosmic web of galaxies, the clusters, the superclusters, a universe born not from a perfect, smooth beginning, but from the inherent beautiful imperfections of the quantum realm. And so, the universe expanded, cooled, and evolved, carrying within its very structure the echoes of those initial quantum whispers. A testament to the profound interconnectedness of all things, from the infinitesimally small to the unimaginably vast. But what if this delicate balance, this cosmic symphony orchestrated by the quantum, was suddenly disturbed? What if the very forces that shaped our world, that set it spinning, were subtly, irrevocably altered? What would become of a world where the quantum whisper fell silent, and the grand cosmic dance faltered? When the earth ceased its ancient spin, the familiar rhythms of life were shattered. No longer the gentle caress of dawn, nor the comforting embrace of dusk. Only an eternal, unblinking gaze from a fixed sun. One hemisphere, perpetually scorched, its oceans evaporated, its lands transformed into a desolate, sun-baked desert. The other, plunged into an endless, frigid night, a realm of perpetual ice and unforgiving blizzards. The atmosphere, once a protective blanket, became a raging torrent. Superheated winds on the day side, a relentless gale tearing at the very surface, carrying away the last vestiges of moisture. On the night side, a suffocating cold, freezing all in its path. Life as we knew it could not endure. The delicate balance, the intricate dance of ecosystems, all dependent on the planet's rotation, crumbled. The vibrant tapestry of existence unraveled, thread by fragile thread. Cities, once beacons of human ingenuity, became silent monuments to a forgotten era. Their structures, once bustling with life, now stand as stark reminders of a world that was a world that moved. The very concept of time, once measured by the turning of our world, became meaningless. A perpetual day, a perpetual night. The hands of the cosmic clock, frozen in an eternal, unmoving embrace. And in that stillness, a profound question echoes through the desolate landscapes. What does it mean to exist when the very pulse of your world has ceased? What lessons can be gleaned from a planet that has stopped its dance? A universe that continues its relentless, indifferent ballet. The Earth, once a vibrant testament to motion, now stands as a silent monument to stillness. A stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs our existence, and the profound consequences when that balance is broken. Yet, the universe, in its infinite wisdom, continues its grand, cosmic ballet. Stars are born, galaxies swirl, and new worlds emerge from the cosmic dust, each a testament to the enduring power of creation. Perhaps, in its stillness, our Earth offers a new lesson, a profound reflection on the impermanence of all things, and the preciousness of the motion we often take for granted. The rhythm of day and night, the ebb and flow of tides, the very breath of life. For even in the deepest silence, the echoes of motion persist. In the faint warmth of the sun on the day side, in the enduring ice of the night, the memory of a spinning world lingers, a silent promise of what once was and what could be again. And as we gaze upon this silent world, we are reminded of our own fleeting journey through the cosmos, a journey defined by motion, by change, by the relentless march of time. A journey that, like the Earth's spin, is a precious gift. So let us not mourn the stillness, but rather, let us cherish the motion. Let us understand the profound science that underpins our existence, and the delicate balance that allows life to flourish. For in the grand tapestry of the universe, every spin, every moment, is a miracle. And the story of a world that stopped spinning is ultimately a story about the profound beauty of a world that once moved.